Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a simple salad with a salad dressing that I wanted to share with you guys. My new favorite oil to use for salad dressing is MCT oil. I'll leave you some information in the description box below about research on MCT oil and also other YouTubers that you can find out more information about MCT oil. But without further ado, let me share my delicious salad dressing recipe with you. So what you're going to need is 1 tablespoon of organic MCT oil, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, a pinch of pink Himalayan sea salt, and a dash of garlic powder. That is all you're going to need for this dressing. Super simple and easy to make. Tastes really good, and enjoy the rest of the video.